Hi everyone, welcome back to AI by Peter channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our photo editing tips and tutorials. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of Luminar Neo's most exciting features, Magic Light AI. Magic Light AI is a cutting-edge tool that leverages artificial intelligence to enhance the lighting in your images. Whether you're working with landscapes, portraits, or architectural photos, this tool can help create mesmerizing light effects, such as beams of light and glowing accents, making your images pop in ways you never thought possible. In this video, I'll walk you through the installation process, show you how to use Magic Light AI, and give you some tips on how to get the most out of it. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up or log in Magic Light AI. First, go to the Magic Light AI website, link in the description below. Click on Sign up for free or log in quickly using Google. Step 2. Create a new video. After signing up, you'll see two main options. 1. Create AI video. 2. Create AI character. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a full story-based animated movie. So, let's get started. Click on Create AI Video. This will open up the Storybox dashboard where the magic begins. You'll first need to select the aspect ratio for your video, whether you want it for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. I'm going with Landscape 16.9 for this demo. Next up, language selection. The tool supports multiple languages. For this video, I'm going with English. Then comes the fun part, choosing your animation style. You've got everything from GTA style to cyberpunk, Studio Ghibli, 3D cartoon, and even realistic styles. Since I want a fun, cartoonish vibe, I'm choosing 3D cartoon. After that, you'll see two options, Smart Script or Basic Script. If you already have a story script, just paste it in Basic Script. But if you don't, use Smart Script to auto-generate one based on a simple idea. You can even use ChatGPT to help you write a story. I've got my script ready from ChatGPT, so I'm pasting it here and clicking Next. Now the tool will analyze your script. It takes just 5 to 10 seconds. Once the script is analyzed, you'll see a preview of your story broken into scenes. You can edit it if needed or go straight to the next step. Step 3. Edit the video time to pick your characters. You can let the tool auto-assign characters or manually edit and create your own. I'll show you both. Use AutoCast to let AI choose based on your story, or tap Edit Character to choose from ready-made ones, or create your own by setting name, gender, age, and type, like human, robot, animal, etc. For this demo, I'm picking a ready-made character to save time. Once selected, click Next again and watch your scenes come to life. Your storyboards will generate automatically with the characters you picked. If anything looks off, you can edit characters per scene from the right-hand menu. Once all slides are ready, click on the Animate button on the first slide. Choose the animation style, I recommend Animated Pro, then tap Confirm. Now just wait a few seconds, your text will turn into a full animated video. And just like that, in under 1 minute, your story is transformed into a beautiful animation. Let me play it for you. Looks awesome, right? After all your scenes are animated, click Next. Here you can choose your cover art, add or remove video title, set subtitles and background music. Pick your favorite background track, and once you're happy, click Generate. I recommend choosing the 16.9 ratio for high-quality YouTube videos. Boom! Your video is ready to download in just 20 seconds. High quality, copyright-free, and perfect for uploading to YouTube or Instagram. So, if you're ready to level up your video creation game, click the link in the description to start using Magic Light AI today. And remember, for more tutorials and tips on using AI tools to make money online, subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot of exciting content lined up for you.
We can use teamwork, she said. You pull the branches, and I'll carefully help the bird fly out of the bush. Tommy grinned. Great idea, Kaylee. Let's do it. Tommy gently moved the branches with his hands, and Kaylee carefully helped the little bird wiggle free. When the bird was free, it flapped its wings and flew up into the sky, chirping happily. Wow, we did it, said Tommy, jumping up and down.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy video making with AI.